Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Selenium IDE into the Firefox web browser. The first thing I wish to highlight concerns the Firefox browser. Depending on your environment, you may not have administrative access on your computer, and thus you may not be able to install add-ons into your Firefox browser. Consequently, I recommend using the portable edition of Mozilla Firefox. This is available from the following website, portableapps.com. And the beautiful thing about this piece of software is that it runs in user space, i.e. you can download it onto any computer and run it. As I have done, let me show you. I've simply downloaded it to my temp folder. It appears like this. This is the version I'm using, the latest version as of recording of this video. And you simply double click and install and follow the steps, and this will create a folder inside your current folder called Firefox Portable. And then simply to run Firefox Portable, you go into the folder and you double click firefoxportable.exe. And that's it. And that's what I've done here. I've also slightly customized it for my own needs, just to show you. These are the extensions that I've installed. You do not have to install these. I just like them and they're convenient. And these are the plugins that I currently have available. Okay. To install the Selenium IDE, first of all, visit the Selenium IDE homepage, which is indicated here. Then select the Downloads tab, which is indicated here. So I'm going to select the Downloads tab. I'm going to dismiss the message that appears. And we're told that we can download the latest released version for Chrome and Firefox here. I'm going to select for Firefox. Great. Be aware the latest version of Selenium IDE is version 3.x. And if you're using Firefox, you must use Firefox version 57 or higher to install Selenium IDE. To be clear, Selenium IDE version 2 worked on every version before Firefox 57, but the latest version is Selenium IDE version 3, and it only works in Firefox Quantum, which is Firefox versions 57 or higher. Okay, so to install, simply click the Add to Firefox button, as you see here. So I'm going to select it now. And then we should be prompted, we are here, with an Add Selenium IDE. It requires the following permissions, and you can read them there yourselves. So then simply select Add, which I'm going to do now. And we're told that Selenium IDE has been added to Firefox, and then we can manage our settings. That's fine, so I'm going to click OK. Great. Believe it or not, we have successfully installed Selenium IDE. And how do I know we've successfully installed it? Because over here, we can see the Selenium IDE icon. So if I put my mouse over it, you'll see the tooltip that appears, Selenium IDE. Great. That's all I wish to show you in this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use Selenium IDE.